Hey everybody, welcome to Goforgreenliving Homestead. My name is Daniel. And yes, I have baby goats. It is awesome. I have one little girl, her name is Uno. She's awesome, beautiful colors. She is show quality. And of course, she can be registered if somebody that purchases her would like to register. She can be registered. And also have two boys. And boys aren't always the woohoo, I got babies. They're still babies. And you gotta love these two little boys. They're just, it's Beau and Luke from the Dukes of Hazzard. And it's just like them. They're just like, always getting into things they shouldn't be getting into, and they're huge. They're really big, because boys are usually bigger than the females. But Una was born a few days earlier, and she is already getting her sea legs and walking around. I mean, Beau and Luke were just born last night, and I went out there and helped them. And here's a few little clips of me helping them, drying them off and stuff, and getting their making sure they were, well, I know the mama could have done it, but I feel like I should help since I'm the owner. I see you, baby. What's the matter? What's the matter, huh? Yeah, it's a little one. What is it? Don't go that way. So I was out here today, and I was trying to take a shot, here, because I'm working on the raised beds still. I'm tilling between the rows from the dirt that's washed out, and I'm putting it into the other raised bed, to fill it up. So I'm out here working, and so I take 3 babies and I bring them out here, and that is, 3 baby goats don't listen. They're gonna do what they're gonna do. They want to do it, and Uno is already showing her true colors there. So, she's going to be a handful, I can tell. So anyway, guys, I'm going to shut up and stop talking and let y'all enjoy some pure cuteness. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ani Ove Ocha means I love you in Hebrew. Later, guys. Yeah, hang on 1 second.
Eat me chicken wings. Hey, man. Hey, man.